This week's edition of the Sweet Life Travel Podcast is brought to you in association with Playa Hotels and Resorts. And we are zeroing on the Playa Resorts in Cancun, Mexico, as well as Playa del Carmen. We have an amazing special, and it's just for persons who book Playa Resorts in Cancun, Mexico, Playa del Carmen, Riviera Maya, Los Cabos, Puerto Vallarta, and Montego Bay, Jamaica. How this works is very, very simple. Call us at Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. Make your Playa Resort booking anywhere from now through to December of 2021, and you are in for amazing discounts, wonderful benefits, and the time of your life. We're featuring the Panama Jack in both Cancun and Playa del Carmen, as well as the Hyatt Ziva and Zalaria, both in Cancun, Mexico, and in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And don't you forget the Royal Playa del Carmen under the Hilton umbrella. So it's all about Playa. And in Jamaica, remember, we do have the Jewels brand in Runaway Bay. There are two properties. There is the Jewel Runaway Bay as well as the Jewel Paradise Cove. So we're all plied out for this edition. And if you take a listen to some of the amazing fun that we had, compliments of Playa this week, you will understand why there is no better choice than to call us up right here at Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited and book a Playa resort that suits you best. Take a listen. In my business, let's go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. The way that I started my business was I love working with the senior market. So I booked me a cheap interior cabin on Holland America. And old people love me, so I mixed and mingled with all the old people, passed out business cards, and now they're my clients for life.
Awesome.
Wonderful.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you heard the start of A Sweet Life. This is our travel podcast. We do it every week, and it just so happens that today we are doing it literally from the adult pool at the Hyatt Ziva in Cancun. And listen, I am surrounded by my closest and dearest friends. We've got, oh my gosh, guys, tell your names.
David Mayo
Got
from Atlanta, ATL in the house.
And then we've got Sade. Come on, Sade, come and tell us.
We're live podcasting.
Where are you from?
baby.
We're
We're weekly
podcasting.
podcast.
Where am I from and what else?
Tell us.
We're doing a live podcast.
Where I'm from, I am originally from Hartford, Connecticut.
Is that right? I didn't even know that. My family lives in Hartford.
Yes. I got into traveling because I woke up one day and decided that I hated taxes. And
Thank you, Jesus. I'm not the
I
only
quit
one.
my job at one of the most major tax firms in North Carolina. Actually, they're considered the Amazon of the tax world. They're a huge tax company, and it was awful. So, after quitting my job, I was like, what am I going to do? And I saw an ad on Instagram about a Voya, and I was like, I could sell travel. And by January 1st, I was signed up. By the 5th, I had finished CLIA, and by the 10th, I finished my Voya training. And it
Voya
was
University.
on and popping since. And that's how I
Awesome. So come along, come and tell us, who are you and why are you doing this wonderful business of travel?
Shirley, do you get this again?
Grew up traveling. That's what I do.
Who are you anyway? You're gorgeous.
Oh, I am Sue from Kalamazoo. Grew up traveling my whole life.
Okay.
And why not share those experiences?
Now, Sue, tell us about the Hyatt Ziva. You're looking gorgeous in your swimsuit
Oh
out
my,
here.
thank you. It is the most beautiful resort. We are practically surrounded by the ocean. Amazing pools, amazing food, staff. You can't go wrong. Come join us.
All right, wonderful. So I have a handsome, tall gentleman over there. Come on here.
He would be part of the United States military.
Oh my goodness, yes, he is. Come and tell us, what on earth led you to this business of travel, and why are you here in Cancun this
It is
week?
I'm here with my wife's company. She is loving this change from being a teacher to now just traveling and helping other people travel. She's so excited. She loves the business. So I get to jump in and learn with her because my next career after I'm done with the Navy Reserves will be to be a part-time travel agent with her. So I've been traveling with my wife. All of our kids are gone. You know, they're all married. They're all in their 20s. So what a next best career than to be a travel agent. I mean, who knew? I thought, who does travel? There's no travel agents because the internet. No, it's not true. There's so much better deals. You always get better with a travel agent than you can on your own. And the service and the care. So I've been educated in schools, and I now understand. And this trip in Cancun, Ziva, has been amazing with Playa. So it's been an amazing trip, learning so much, all the great ideas from the fellow agents, and it's just been exciting. So
We have made friendships for life.
friendships for life. It's been a great trip. So I've always had two jobs. I work in corporate America and in military reserves. So once my Navy Reserves is totally gone, I'll do this a lot more full time. But the education I get from everyone here has been amazing.
Wonderful. And you didn't tell us your name.
Bruce.
He is Bruce. Ladies and gentlemen, I tell you, we love our jobs. We're at work. We're hard at work. I mean, we're here hanging out in the pool. Oh my gosh, oh, I wouldn't even tell you some of the things we're drinking.
Oh, it's unlimited alcohol, by the way.
And eating. But I tell you, it's amazing.
Hi, this is Maureen from Atlanta. I've been doing this for almost a year now. I started travel because I had a lot of free time and I love to travel, and this is what I want to do.
Good. Excellent.
Hey, this is Suzette. I have been in the industry for 34 long years. I really think that they need to have a Travels Anonymous, because once it gets in your blood, you can't quit, and I need an intervention. But no, I really love every bit about travel. You get to see the world, you get to meet new people, you get to talk to everyone and learn new things. And we are hard at work learning for you guys so you don't make mistakes. We will make them for you, and we will make sure that you don't make them. So if you don't use a travel agent, you should use a travel agent, because they will make the process so much easier.
Excellent. But you have not said a word. You're doing all the work. Come on, who are you? You're so gorgeous.
Yeah.
Let's hear what's happening with you.
Yeah, my name is Dolapo, and I decided to go into the travel business because I wanted to do something that I enjoyed doing, and at the same time having fun. And I also wanted to do something that I didn't have to carry any inventory, because in the past I've often done businesses that required carrying inventory. And you know, I just love what I do. I put in my letter of resignation 21st of September last year, and I haven't looked back. I'm enjoying myself. I'm learning a lot. There's a lot to learn in this business, but there's a lot of perks that come with it as well. You're learning, you're enjoying yourself, and you love what you're doing at the same time. What could be better than being a travel agent? So please, 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 whenever you want to travel, don't do it on your own. Reach out to your travel agent. They will give you the best deal. They're licensed to give you the best deal. Don't waste your time Googling and searching online. All right?
Remember, online was made for looking. Your travel agents, we're here to handle your bookings. So Guys, it's been a wonderful opportunity. This podcast will be very abbreviated today because guess what? We're just too busy having too much fun at the Hyatt Ziva in Cancun, Mexico. But as we love to say right here, you know where to find us. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun. Ciao for now.